Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss about the new product from Fossil. Basically it is 1.5 years old. I had purchased this on 1st September 2019. Since then I would be giving you a quick review, a customer review, since I've been using it on daily basis. So let's get started. Firstly, about the display, I had faced no problem in the sunlight or at the night. So it is beautiful and it is very bright. Even in the bright conditions, I can easily check my brightness. Regarding the battery, I will tell you later in the video, but let me just quickly tell you that it will last 2 days. If I use it very less, and if I use it often, and if I use it for calling purposes or checking my notifications, it will last not more than 1 day. Regarding the accuracy of the steps, let me assure you, I have tried Apple Watch and my phone as a Google Fit, so I feel the steps are pretty accurate, so you don't need to check on the other watches also, so this would do good to you. Regarding the other features like calling feature, it has a great speaker inside it built in, so which has a crisp sound. You cannot expect a great speaker out of a small watch, but yes, it will solve your purpose. Regarding other applications like weather, it works like a breeze. It has all these informations which you would require, like the high temperature, low temperature, what is the current temperature, and how temperature will be in the upcoming week. So you don't need to basically switch on your phone for these things. Let's talk about the connectivity. So in connectivity you have 3 options. Basically you have the Wi-Fi option, you have the Bluetooth option. Wi-Fi, you can connect it with your home modem as well, and like this you can see Hari _0 2.0, which is actually connected right now, so you can also update or add anything on it. It is basically the internet on your watch. Bluetooth is already connected with my phone right now, so that I can answer to all my calls. NFC I don't use, so I have turned it off. Airplane mode, there is no need to turn it on. Basically, if you just need to disconnect it from your phone, you can simply turn off your Bluetooth. Location, you should keep it on so that it tracks your the measurement and all. These are basically your the notifications, which I had already shown you in my previous videos. So guys, this is about it. If you want to go with the agenda alarms, it has all these contacts also. You can also click on the Find My Phone and the phone will ring immediately. This is a very good feature, FitBreeze. I have already shown this thing to all of my fellow viewers. So basically if you click on this thing, Breeze, so for 2 minutes it will basically let you relax in this hustle bustle of the cities. So for that, it is a beautiful exercise. You should try it. So we'll skip this right now. Regarding the strap or the build quality is concerned, I have faced no problem. The strap has very minimal, let me just show it to you once again properly. Yeah, so it has very less wear and tear. So with this, having said that, I think it's a good buy, and after 1.5 years also, if you notice guys, I have already applied a screen protector. It is basically a tempered glass which we use in our mobile devices. It is hardly visible to our naked eyes. I'll leave the link in the description below so that you can order it easily at your comfortable home space. So let me just show you the night view of this watch. So guys, right now the Fossil Generation 5 watch is connected with my phone, and it is showing me 9,879 steps, and I have checked it with the Apple Watch and the Google Fit in my phone, and I am pretty sure the steps are pretty much accurate, and the fitness, this watch has very good accuracy. So today I have done almost 10,000 steps on it, and the battery level is still at 95. It's 22nd December. Yeah, 9:24 p.m. I usually do like this, so it gets turned on. Basically, the brightness gets turned on. Yeah. So this is it about. So basically, I've seen many of my subscribers asking me, so what is the battery life I'm getting in this watch? So guys, basically it is 2 days, and it has been more than an year since I've purchased it. So I purchased it from Amazon. I would be giving the link in the description box. So with that, you can also get a 1% cashback within 90 days from Amazon. So do ensure you click the link below to if you wish to purchase it. This is basically Indian variant, and I would be giving the description for the Indian Amazon.in. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you have any other doubts. Yes, it is. It has a calling feature also, but no, we cannot put a SIM inside. It is basically Google Watch.